Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. New Windows 10 build to look at. This is 19002 for Windows Insiders on the Fast Ring. I'm running it here on my virtual machine on my Surface Laptop 2. What's new in this build? Well, despite the number ticking up to be quite a big build number, we're left the 1.8 range, we're now into 1.9. There aren't many changes to it. The main thing that Microsoft mentioned is the Bluetooth pairing feature that was introduced on a previous build of Windows 10, and that's now available to everybody. There is something new I wanted to show you here, that this screen has now changed. This is actually in the last build, but I wanted to show you that here. So that's it's showing you that you can get more out of Windows, and if you go onto that, it takes you to the customize settings screen for Windows, and if you don't do that, eventually that dialog will come back. So that's newish. This is the thing where you can go and customize it. So you can then customize it from there. So I'm going to skip that for now to remind me another time. Okay, what else is new in this build? Well, everything it just really fixes. They fix some issues with the upgrade. We fail with an error. They fix some issues with Action Center. They fixed some issues where the settings header wasn't correct, the one I just showed you. They fixed some narrator issues, some issues with VPN not working, some text issues, some text cursor issues, and they fixed some issues with the Linux subsystem. So not a lot of changes. What they have done is there's a few more known issues than there was in the previous build. So if you were on the previous build, there was a shutdown issue, which I wasn't seeing myself, but I've seen some people had this where you couldn't shut down. So if you've got that, there is a workaround. So because you need that to get it to shut down to do the install. But my Surface Laptop 2 is okay. I think it's doing power config, so this machine's fine. There's still issue with the anti-cheat software. Resetting the PC, the cloud down option doesn't work. I haven't got that to work at all. I've tried many times in offline mode, online mode, and it hasn't worked, so they're still investigating that. They've got some dark theme keyboard issues and Bluetooth devices resuming and connecting after you've opened the lid. So those are the changes of this build. Not a huge amount of changes. I'm pretty sure this build is this 19H2 is pretty much done. They're just getting through the minor issues now before ready to release next year. So that's the changes with this build. You can find out more on thedigital-lifestyle.com. My Twitter is @IceDixon, and I'll see you there.